Welcome back to Afternoon Express. So this week we are featuring LG's groundbreaking air conditioners. The dual inverter compressor technology saves up to 70% on energy costs, and recent tests have shown that an LG air conditioner can keep your home warm during the winter for approximately $8 a day. Gee, where was that last night?
I'm
I was shivering at
Now
home.
listen, Jeannie, this combined with LG's unique skewer fan eliminates unnecessary noise and allows for smooth operation. So the whole family will be able to enjoy a quiet, peaceful night's sleep and a cozy, warm winter during those cold nights.
Oh, I'll keep you warm,
Perfect.
Pally.